YouTube. Matches 860. The Friday Savinelli again. Big and burly this time. What a beautiful day. This is really a video response to Barnyards and Burleys, but I wanted to shorten the title. So it's all about my pocket knives. Matt did a video showing off his knives. Put a link down in the bucket. So I'm going to show mine off today. And for anyone who doesn't happen to carry a pocket knife, you're really missing the boat. Really comes in handy. Plus it's cool. So without further ado, we're going to go over to a table I set up with the knives on it, and I'll give you a description of each one. Just follow me. And here we go. First knife, right up here. This is an Imperial and is very similar to the first knife that I ever had as a kid. It's kind of a rite of passage to get a pocket knife. And I think mine was blue. You could get these anywhere back in the day. Imperial was located in Rhode Island. And yeah, they were inexpensive and yet really well put together. The next one, which is really what got me started with collecting knives. This is my dad's everyday carry. He passed away in '99, and my mom gave this one to me. A lot of memories having him pull this out of his pocket and work on something. It's a Cutmaster electrician. It's got a regular blade and a regular screwdriver. Pretty cool tool. The Swiss knife my parents got for me when I was in high school. They were over in Europe, Zurich, and this went to college with me and has seen an awful lot of use. Really nice. Buck knife. And I'm going to spin around to the other side here. This is Uncle Henry, made by Schrade. And I can guarantee anybody who sent me a package, this is what opened it, because it's always on my desk. This is a Camillus, fairly popular knife. And I dug this out of a trash can. It was covered with paint and crud and grime and grease. Cleaned up really well. I like that. Case Stockman. Case makes beautiful knives. Have a bunch of these Schrade old timers. And great thing about these, all the ones I own were actually made here in the United States. They've since, they sold the name and everything went overseas, so it comes out of Japan or Korea or somewhere. And this is kind of a novelty, Davy Crockett pocket knife. Another Imperial. Another old timer. This is a muskrat, 2 blades. And we'll come back around to this side here. This is a Case baby butterbean, 2 blades on it. And I think I got this as a package deal when I bought the cheetah. That's a beautiful knife there. The Gerber, this was an everyday carry for me for years. Really handy, and it only cost like $6, so I figured if I busted it or lost it, it wasn't a big deal. One of my prized possessions is a Spyderco Dragonfly. Really love that thing. Another Schrade old timer. This is a trapper, and it's got all the tools a trapper would need. Had to buy this, and it also matches the other old timers I got there. Talked about the cheetah, the Sodbuster from Case. I got the smaller version and a mid-size version. I love those things. Another larger old timer. I got 2 of these. I carry one of these on my days off. Got a Benchmade. Nice knife. I believe, Matt, you had a Kershaw. So do I. Another Spyderco. Really great knives. All stainless steel. Another Benchmade. Up in the middle here, it's a Case commemorative knife, Kentucky statehood. Love that thing. Beautiful bone or stag handle on it. Really nice. And I actually, after I started collecting the pocket knives in the 90s, I got more interested in multi-tools, and I got a million of them, but I decided not to bring them out. But this is my prized possession. Victorinox Swiss tool. Heavy duty, great tool, although I never used it at work, just for fear of ruining it, which I doubt I could do, but anyway. So Matt, that's my stuff. Thank you and everyone else for watching. Take it easy.